Guys, Mehdi here again with another car repair episode. I have a 1999 Mercedes ML320. This car won't start. Actually, the engine is turning, but it's not starting. It means cranking, but it's not starting. And this is a common problem with this car. Whenever you have this issue, let me illustrate it for you guys. Okay, you see all the light. You see the RPM jumped. Okay, it means we have cam crank sensor correlation. You see the car just stall. It wants to start running for 2 seconds and die. This is the key issue with this car. This is the key. This is a new key we made for this car a couple months ago, but it's failed again. The original key, the way they do it, the key, the dealership, they discontinued and they don't do it anymore. The original key, the Mercedes key is a big, but right now they do this key and they need to order it, and the owner of the car with registration, with title, everything, need to go to dealer and order it. The other company, what they call, they do the key and program, they can't do it. Just dealer qualified, and they have the equipment to cut the key, and they send it, and they match the key with your VIN number. You don't need to take your car over there. Just you need to go, have your title, registration, everything with you, and just ask to order a key. Some dealers they do, some of them they don't do. Just make sure call before you get there. And yeah, that's a problem, and we need another key for this car. We make it, and then good to go. All right.